Good afternoon. This is Darjes Garland from this IT3 Block team. So this will be my first Laravel application app. So the first one is let's go to HTTOps, then create a new folder called and exploratory. Then na tayo ng Laravel tayo sa may installation. Open na rin natin yung VS Code. Dito, tayo sa Laravel, hanapin natin yung first project. So ito yan. Kunin natin. Ito tayo ng terminal, new terminal, then paste natin. Hintayin lang natin hanggang sa ma-fully i-install na siya. So, okay. Then, na-install na siya. So, the next one is copy natin to. Laravel view. Ito yung pinaka-name ng file. So, sample app. Laravel view and sample app, then click enter. So, here, existing na pala siya. Dito na pala siya. Sorry. Then, cd sample app. Copy natin yan. Terminal. Enter. And then, rb family group. Click enter. So, ito na siya. Running na siya. So, dito natin makikita yung factories, migration, seeders, ignore, database SQLite. So, dito naman sa may routes, dito yung mga web page fee and console page fee. Next one is resources. So, dito natin makikita yung pinaka-row code nung lalabas. So, ito siya. So, pag-click natin to, control, then click, wait for it. Then, ito na siya. Here. So, papalitan natin yan based on the criteria. So, ang criteria is picture of myself must be circle and the circle right is in left. Your name is on the right side and then your black here is below your name. So, basically, gagawa tayo, papalitan natin to. Gagawin natin picture, circle, and then yung position ay nasa gitna. It's in the left. And yung pangalan ay nasa right side. Tapos yung black ay nasa baba. Okay. So, let's do it. So, before that, let's change it into lab laboratory. And then, here, sorry, i-delete natin na ito, pagkaitan natin siya ng data criteria. Okay, so here, we have my image, my name, and black. So the criteria is my picture of yourself must be circle and in position, and the position of your picture is in left. And then in the right side, your name, and then your black with years below in your name. So ang mangyayari, dito yung picture, dito yung name, and black. So ang gagawin natin, I approach it using grid. So ipapasok natin siya sa container. So ito yung container, papasok natin siya dito. Sa container, merong dalawang grid. Di ko kasi siya alam i-approach using pure Laravel, so I'll use this. So here, nakikita natin na gumawa tayo ng container. So inside the container, may dalawang container grid. So ang gagawin natin is dito yung dalawang yan. So let's do it. Call out the container. Diba? So yung body, edit natin yan. Edit na natin lahat ng laman. Yan, fresh. Ayun, yung na. So, ang kailangan natin, bilugin natin yung picture and set tayo ng height niya. So, tawagin natin image, order use 50%. So, let's see. Ah, here you go. Ngayon, masyadong malaki. So, mag-set tayo ng height and width niya, which is, let's say, 150 pixels. And width is also 150 pixels. So, there, makita natin kung maliit. Saan kaya natin mag-light para visible. There you go. So, ang container grid, dalawa. So, kullain natin para makita natin. Order, solid, one, pixel, block. And then, makikita natin yung dalawang grid. And, tingnan din natin yung container. Kullain natin ito ng, I think, blue. There you go. So, gawin natin, ang lead niya, from the body, which is the parent, is 50%. Let's say 30. On 40 na. Protect natin. There you go. And then, i-min height natin ito ng 100 inch para measure. So, let's see. There you go. Then, gagawin natin. So, ang condition, left side is the picture, then right side is the name. So, what we're gonna do is, go to the container, display grid, with template columns, repeat, 1 R. So, ang mangyayari, i-distribute na ito into 2 columns. So, ganito ang mangyayari. Dati yan dalawa evenly. So, fresh. There you go. Then, medyo yan na natin yung width kasi medyo makikita. So, refresh. Here you have it. Let's remove this one. This one. Fresh. Then, let's see if nakuha na ba. Picture of yourself is a circle and position of your picture is in left and your right is then your block into the name. Make sure to line center exactly. So, let's see. Pictures on the left. Pictures on the left. Name is on the right. And block is below the name. So this is my first web application. My name is Darje Escarlan from DSIT 3 Block 8.